What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. As I've said on previous videos, I'm planning on making my first garage somewhat of like a showroom floor style type thing, and I am very excited to get started. A couple things I'm going to be doing: painting the walls, putting some good lighting. With this lighting, all we've got is, at this garage, lighting wise, just one strip and the garage light, and it's just not enough, right? Super hot, by the way, here in Texas. It's like 103 degrees, so not ideal. I got a few things taped down. We got the circuit breaker box panel, we've got the sprinkler system taped down, and at the moment I am starting to tape down the door. So I went ahead and invested in a nice paint gun, because in my wife's closet room we were painting it just with a brush and it was just a pain in the ass. Hoping that it's a lot faster and a lot easier and the finish comes out a little bit better. If you want to see these videos and how the garage turns out, stick along. Comment any suggestions that you have if you've done stuff like this, epoxying or wall painting, or if you have any suggestions on cabinets and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, like the video, as you all know, subscribe for more, and more bike stuff coming soon. We've got the garage all prepped and ready for step one in painting the roof. This is day 2 now. Yesterday I just kind of took me about 3 hours. Got the stuff on Amazon. It's basically just like painter's tape with this film on it, and like once you unfold it, it just falls down. They have different sizes. This one's like 9.8 feet, something like that. I'll link that in the description below so you guys know where I found that, and just to kind of help protect the walls as I spray. So we're gonna start with black up top using the Magnum True Airless X5. Never used it before, but after watching many reviews on YouTube, it seems like that's gonna be the one to use. So shouldn't take too long with this gun. Spray that off, let it dry, and then after that we should be able to remove the film. Then I'm going to cover the top partially, and we're gonna start spraying the walls. Hoping to do all that today, just knock this out so I can start putting everything back in and organize, and even throw away what I don't need. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and hope you liked the video. Thanks for coming along for the journey. Yeah. painted the roof black, onyx black to be exact, and I absolutely love so far the way it looks. I mean, it's changed the garage dramatically. The color black just does so much. Love the gun, by the way. The gun is super sick. So, gonna go ahead and take all the plastic wrap off the walls. Gonna tape off the roof, probably about 2 feet in or so, just to make sure there's no overspray. And currently I am insulating the garage. Was gonna go on the outside and just put some double-sided tape, but the way my garage is, there's this little gap right here, and it kind of just makes sense to put it in there. All right, it is day 3 now. We have the roof finished, as I mentioned earlier. Now we have basically the edges, annoying fly here. The edges are, as you can see, taped up. Hopefully that does the job. And trying not to get any overspray on the roof. All the way around and then around the garage as well. All right, guys, we did it. We have the finished product of the garage. Here we have the special delivery gray and the black ceiling. And this is what it looks like. I just got to empty out some stuff in here. Planning on getting a storage for the backyard so I can take things like the pressure washer out, the paint gun, all my certain concrete tools, stuff like that I don't need on a daily basis to just clean up the garage, paint, stuff like that can all go to the back. So that's gonna be a project I'll be working on soon. But I did get to finish the insulation of the garage. I'm not sure how much of a difference this makes. I mean, I do feel the heat on there. It's probably making no more than a 10-degree difference from most videos that I see. That's about as much as it'll make. So the paint came out pretty good. The only thing I didn't like about it was the ceiling when I was removing the tape. The covered ceiling for painting the walls, it's probably very hard to see, but some of the paint came off with this. I definitely need more lighting in here because the colors are a little bit darker. I am planning on getting some sick lighting soon, but I think I do want to do the epoxy floors first, or at least get everything at once, because I'm going with a black metallic marble epoxy look. So with the black ceilings and the black flooring, it may look a little dark in here. So definitely will need the help of some nice lighting to look nice. So excited for that, but it came out pretty well, a little better than expected. Again, this is my first time ever painting using a paint gun, and first time doing a project like this, my first garage that I'm messing with. So I'm very excited for it to progress. I do want to get an AC in here eventually. Here in Texas, it's stupid hot, and it would be nice if I walked in here and it was like 72, you know, because it's like 105 right now. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video of this garage slowly getting prettier, nicer, and more sick, of course. Stick around for more videos of bikes and random things. Peace.